Welcome, hello guys, welcome to my first tutorial. We are going to talk about the structure of the HTML or structure of web page. Now, first, let me try and create a web page for you so that I will tell you the structure of the web page. What I'm doing is creating an HTML file. You close the tag. Alright, let me try and explain to you. When you open a tag, and a tag always has to be mostly have an opening and a closing tag. Do you understand me? This is how you open a tag, and this is how you close a tag. And within the tag we have elements and the attributes, elements or attributes. We will come to it very soon. Now let's clean this thing. So this is how I'm trying to show you how to create a web page. Then there we'll talk about the structure of the web page, and this is how it goes. Under the inside within the HTML and the opening and closing HTML tag, we have the head, and we close the head tag by the head tag, and we have the title, and we close the title tag. Now this title tag always goes inside the, you see, when you open a web page, let me open a web page for you. Okay, all right, the title tag, the title tag always, the title tag, what you write inside the title tag always what comes here. So let's say welcome, let's write welcome, welcome to my site. You okay? I guess you're understanding right now how it is. Now after the head tag we have the word, the body, we have the closing body. Inside the closing body tag we have everything that is stated here. So what you see here always have to go within the body, within the body. You understand? So let me write something. My first web page. Okay, I am a web designer. All right, now you see that you see I've written it. We have the doc type, always specify the doc type. Then you have the HTML. Inside the HTML is like a house. That house is the house that people living. So these are the people. We have the head, which is my father. And this is what my head, the name of my head, my father is welcome to my site. And this is the body, this is the body, which is us, my family. Everything that I want to do here always appears here. You understand? Everything that I do here always appears here. Now let me save it and you will understand what I'm trying to say. So web.html, always put this extension every web page, most web page always carries this extension which tells the browser that it is trying to open an HTML page. So it has to use uh, the elements or it should be ready to boot or display the web page now. um, right, okay, as I told you, this is my HTML. Nothing appears in this way, and this is the head tag. And the head tag, we have the title, and we have the title, we have welcome to my site. This thing is displayed here. Yeah, it can be welcome to anything. You can write any single thing that you want. You understand me? Then we have the body which houses what I want to do. And one thing about writing or designing or developing a web page is that when you're writing the HTML, everything is in one line. Everything is in one line. So you use tags to separate. If I do this, logically you see that it has to, the I am a web designer have to come down. But let's see how it is. I'm refreshing it. I refresh it again. I refresh it again. Still the same old thing. So here, when you're writing a web page, we use tags to separate what you want to, like, to display, to write things well, the way you want to be displayed. So if I say P and I write P, I write P and write P. Okay, so I haven't closed it. Of course, P. What I do is that, let me try and refresh it. You see the difference? Okay, the P here stands for P tag, the paragraph tag. Sorry, the P here stands for the paragraph tag. You see that it has separated the two sentences, which is my first web designer web page, and I am a web designer. So that's basically the structure of a web page. Let's view the page source. All right, you see the page source. What is the same thing as I've represented here. We have the HTML, we have the head, we have the title, we have the welcome to my site, we have the title, we have the head. So you see that it's closed and closed and opens and close and close, open and close. But the basic thing that you have to know about web pages to follow this rule. First, doc type, which is automatically here. Then we have the HTML. It comes with the HTML. Then we have the head. Then we have the head close. Then you have the within the head close, we have the title. Basically, this is the main thing about website. This is the main thing about website. You have the body. You close the body. And now we close our HTML. So we wrap everything inside the HTML tag. You understand me? This is how the structure, basically the structure of the web page. Now let's see more advanced thing about with this Google front page. You have the view. Let's go to view and page source. All right. Now you have the doc type HTML as we have it here. You have the HTML and you have the HTML here, the closing HTML tag, and this is the comment, which I'll come back to later. In comments are not recognized by the web browser, so they are not displayed. They should have been displayed, but because they are not recognized uh, as elements, tags, information that the browser can display, it doesn't always display. Comments are mostly used for, as it is comments, you want to comment on something on the web page, whether the web page contains an information about what is actually displaying. It's all put in a comment. You are just telling people, somebody like me who is not a web developer, or I don't know anything about what I'm doing, is it displays, it gives a comment. You understand me? It tells you what's about. You can write anything, blah 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 blah, inside, and it will never be displayed by the web browser. You only find it at the page source. I hope you understand me. So I can write the time that I created the web, the page, how the time that the person that created it. I can write why I am creating this web page, and it may never be displayed. It will never be displayed to the end user, which is the browser, the one who is browsing. Right. Okay. Here we have the link and the meta chart set. Metadata gives you an additional thing. We have the link tag. You see the link tag. Close the link tag. You open it and you close, and you open and you go in the script tag. Will come to that. When we are dealing with CSS3, we'll come to the link, the use of the link tag, and the script when we are advanced in the JavaScript or jQuery and all that. So let's take this thing as it is. Okay, I hope you are getting me. You have the head. This is the structure. You have the head, the link, the script, and you close with the corresponding closing tag. The body. You have the div ID, which will come to it later. We have the div id. The div id here corresponds to I think this one, and the div here corresponds to this one, and the div here corresponds to this one. And we have, you see, it's telling you a notification shown when a tile is blacklisted. This is supposed to be appearing here, but it wasn't appearing there because it is a comment. So now I have further information that if my tile is blacklisted, it shouldn't be shown, or it will have, this thing will have to come. You understand me? This thing will have to come. You have the class, the ID, the span, which we will deal about with it later on. We have the span ID. We have, so this is basically this is the structure of a web page. Oh, you do understand me? Thank you very much for uh, uh, thank you very much. And this is the end of the first tutorial. All right, bye bye.